you amazed?
It's like 3 o'clock in the morning. Oh my god. There we go. Look at that. Looks like I found a clog. So these are 275/50 Mickey Thompson ET Street R's, 15 by 10 inch rim, 4 stars. We're gonna test fit them on the IS. I already like maxed out the height on the DC Racing coilovers, so it's kind of like rakes in the back like that. So I'm gonna see if I have enough room to clear big ass tires. Yes, sir. Oh, it's gonna be badass. I'm gonna drop it down to see if it fits.
It should.
Oh, that's perfect, man. Lots of room?
I feel like you can still lower it.
I can lower it?
Yes.
Oh yeah, I can lower it a lot. I went too high on the coilovers. Okay. Yeah, I can drop it down to like...
Sit it right on top
when
of
I
it.
launch, it's going to squat a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm going to have to be careful with that.
Probably like maybe 1.5 inches up.
Oh yeah.
That's about us. Shit is nuts, man.
These are the ones I'm going to use at the burnout contest. Because they're already pretty wasted.
You gonna pop them?
Yeah, I'm going to pop them. I'm going to go until they pop, for sure. Oh, that looks crazy. I need to lower it a lot.
At least you can just get a feel for what it's like.
You sure you need to lower it a lot? Huh? You sure you need to lower it a lot? At least 1 inch. I mean, I don't think it's gonna squat that much.
No.
I should like give it some test hits.
Yeah, I saw your video.
The pedal does not get stuck this time. got 10 pounds of boost. It's probably like 5 or something.
Imagine on 10.
Yeah, it feels pretty weak.
Alright.
Just going to Whataburger.
Oh, I got
Oh, you got the camera?
I got you, yeah.
Okay. All right.
That's good to know you got brakes.
Yeah.
That's great.
There is a giant hole in my master cylinder. The reservoir.
Really?
Yeah. That's good to know, right? It makes you feel good.
Well, I mean, we made it here though, so
Yeah.
that's great.
Everyone that's driving past you, near you, bro, they're gonna tell everyone about your car, bro.
Hell yeah. I need to get like a Grease Monkey mod sticker or something on the